Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, November the 9th, November the 10th, 2024. Well, it's actually today, Sunday. November the 10th, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time, and this one will be number 9568. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 17. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a no between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Between the ones comes no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And let me see. Come on. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes exactly. We solved it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so to make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.